A day after Rahul Gandhi's Twitter account was hacked, now the Congress's official Twitter account has also been hacked. A series of derogatory and abusive tweets have appeared on the official account of the Congress party. We're going to go across on the phone line to Priyank for more details on this. Priyank, is there a confirmation that we're getting now from the Congress party about their accounts being hacked?
Yeah, certainly sources in the Congress party are saying that this time the Congress party, the INC, which is a Twitter account of Congress party, has been hacked by the hacker. It's a very important development which is happening since the late yesterday evening when Twitter account of Rahul Gandhi was hacked, and in the late night development, the Congress party spokesperson, one of the Congress leader, Randeep Singh Surjewala, sent an email to the Economic Offence Cyber Wing of the Delhi Police to proceed a case in this matter and take strict action against whosoever has used it. Later to that, the Delhi Police has sent an email to Twitter to know the Internet Protocol address, the IP address from which this email ID, the Twitter account was accessed by the hacker, and the hacker has once again given a threat to the Indian agencies by hacking the account of Congress party and sent derogatory tweets. This time, Preeti, it will be very important for the Indian agencies to see that who is this person, or whether he's based in India or in abroad, who is giving a threat to India's internet, and he is having access to these kind of important Twitter handles. That is also important development, knowing the fact that the country is going in a direction of cashless economy. People are trying to use internet transaction, and by giving this, certainly someone, the anti-national elements are right now trying to give an indication to people of India to be afraid of using the internet.